Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy zKML coin. And in order to buy this coin, all you need to do is open up your browser. And once you've opened up your browser, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and copy your Ethereum contract address. With the Ethereum contract address copied, minimize and open up MetaMask. Alright guys, so with your MetaMask app opened up, all you need to do is simply make sure you have Ethereum on your wallet to be able to continue this transaction. Your need for Ethereum is to cover the gas fees and to possibly convert your Ethereum into the coin. So to do this, click on buy ETH. And in order to buy ETH, all you need to do is make sure you have a payment option, such as the Google Pay, debit card, SEPA bank transfer, or Kipu. These are all payment options that can be used for the euro, it can be used for the US dollar, the Norwegian krone, or the Brazilian real. So all you need to do is just enter an amount and simply get your quotes. Getting your quotes is simply completing the transaction, such as buying it or transferring to the given account, and then you will receive your Ethereum in your wallet. All right, guys. So now the next step is to click on import tokens, click on custom token, paste the token contract address. We're doing this so when we purchase or when we convert our Ethereum into the zKML coin, we'll be able to view it on our wallet. So click on next, click on import, and boom. All right, so now the next step is to head to the browser icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So click on the browser icon at the bottom right, log on to app.uniswap.org. Make sure your wallet is connected using the connect option at the top right. If you can't find the connect, all you need to do is click on the power icon and either disconnect or connect your wallet once more. All right, now in place of PAL, click on the drop down and simply search by pasting the contract address. Select zKML, click on I understand, and for $12 worth of Ethereum, you're going to be getting about 55.95 zKML coins and paying a gas fee of $3.23. So if you head back to your wallet and perform a reload, after clicking on swap or convert, you'd find the zKML on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.